Today's delicious concoction is a pineapple mango smoothie. Let's learn how to make this. To our blender, we're going to add frozen mango chunks, frozen pineapple chunks, the milk of your choice, almond milk, coconut milk, regular milk, orange juice, some Greek yogurt, chia seeds or hemp hearts for added nutrition. And if you like things extra sweet, squeeze in some honey. Time to blend. Pour it in your favorite glass. Oh, so thick and delicious. Garnish and serve. Made with simple ingredients, easy to make, 10-15 minutes. Recipe link in the description below. Give it a try.